Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open any website on a THOMSON tablet. And to do this, let's launch our Google Chrome and just show you we're gonna try to open any website. Let's go for YouTube. And as you can see, there's a problem. So to fix this, we'll need to open our settings and scroll all the way down and enter System. Here find date and time and make sure that you're using network provided time. If you go back to the browser and refresh a page, now it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.